The holiday season holds a special place in my heart, and this year I'm so excited to bring you so many amazing recipes. But before we get into that, can you guess what all these dishes have in common? If you guessed the cookware, then you're absolutely right. Allow me to introduce to you one of my favorite companies, and that is Carway Home. One of the questions I get asked the most is, where do you get your cookware from? So today, let's talk about my Carway cookware. If you're subscribed to my channel or you've watched a few of my videos, you know I've been using this cookware for years now. What really drew me to this company is that it's made from non-toxic materials and it's free of heavy metals that can make their way into your food. The cookwares are not only stylish, but they're super non-stick and most importantly, non-toxic. The non-stick feature is really great, especially if you're working towards a healthier lifestyle, because you can cook your food with less oil or grease. Another thing is the storage and organization system it comes with. If you know me, you know I'm really big on organization, and the storage solution helps keep your kitchen neat and clutter-free. The best part is the cleaning. I spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen, and as much as I love spending time in the kitchen, one of my worst chore is doing the dishes, especially pots. With my Carway cookware, I don't have to stress much about washing because cleaning is such a breeze. You can even get away with just a quick wipe with a paper towel, and that saves me a whole lot of time and stress. Speaking about saving, I have some good news to share on how you can save money getting your own Carway cookware set. So if you want to get this for yourself or you want to gift this to someone, make sure you stay tuned. Now let's move on to the Caraway bakeware. The bakeware comes in the 11-piece set option and the 5-piece set. It also comes with a storage system that keeps everything neatly organized. Just like the cookware, the bakeware also doesn't include any toxic material. I've been using my bakeware for about a year now, and they are very durable, super non-stick, and very sleek. They are great for everything from bread to muffins to cookies, anything you can think of. I love and enjoy baking. It's one of my favorite things to do, and I absolutely love using my Carway bakeware and just watching things slide off. Watch how this bread just slides off with so much ease. For all my bread lovers, I'm going to show you how to make the simple bread rolls at the end of the video. I'm also going to be sharing so many baked recipes you can make for the holiday, so make sure you watch out for that. If you're looking for a nice gift for yourself or to gift someone who loves to bake, this is definitely the one. But wait, there's more. Carway now has their prep set and board set. The new prep set collection includes all the essential tools you need in your kitchen. The knives are super sharp and they're made from stainless steel blades, and they make slicing and dicing so easy. There are so many colors you can choose from. The prepware also contains the utensil set as well as the storage organizer. I recently just added the prepware to my collection and I'm absolutely loving it. If you do get this, make sure you're careful when using the knives because they're super sharp. Another great product I love mentioning is the Caraway tea kettle. It's such a beautiful kettle and it will make such a nice centerpiece for your stovetop. And of course, like the rest of them, it's non-toxic. It comes in so many different colors. My favorites are the white with gold handle and the marigold, which is this one. These will make such a perfect gift for tea and coffee lovers. The last product I want to talk about is the food storage. As we know, the holidays are just around the corner, and with holidays comes lots and lots of leftovers. This 14-piece set is a game changer when it comes to keeping leftovers fresh. And not just for leftovers, you can use this to take food to your neighbors, friends, and so on. The air release technology keeps meals fresh and odor free, so you're ready to enjoy it whenever you please. My favorite part is that they're oven, microwave, and freezer safe. Now here's the exciting part. Caraway is hosting a once-a-year saving event. Caraway never goes on sale, so this will be your best chance to get Caraway at a discounted price. You can enjoy up to 20% off most products, so make sure you take advantage of this once-a-year savings and go secure your favorite color before it sells out. I'm going to put my special link in the description box, so use that and head over to the Carway website and you can choose products from the food storage, the bakeware, the cookware. They have other products I didn't mention in this video, such as the squareware, the steam baskets, and so on. So whether you're treating yourself or you're finding the perfect gift for someone special, don't forget to use my link. Remember, this is a once-a-year saving event, so make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch out for all my holiday recipes coming soon. If there's anything you want me to add, send me a DM or leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking and happy holidays.